Hey guys, this is Abhishek from AI with Abhishek, and today I'm going to tell you how you can find location of any photo using AI. And for this, I'm going to use three tools here, which is this one, then this one, and this one. Let's see which one actually does better job. I have an image over there which I'm going to find the location of, and I have it on my Mac. Let's first of all try the first tool and upload that image. So here you have the option of uploading an image. This is the photo which I want to find out which location this photo is from. Let's see which AI tool does a good job. Let me add a prompt over there. So this has started. Let's try the same thing over there on this one and on this one as well. So let's see what the first tool has actually done. The first tool has given me some reasoning based on what it sees in the photo, and it is telling me about potential locations where this photo might be from. This is again good but not very specific to the photo, and this is also can be confusing over there. Let's see what the second tool has done. Let me specify location with this one, search for location, and let's see what location it finds. And this is the tool which is actually very good and free. This has done a very good job because this is the exact location it has found. It has shown the latitude, the city. It is basically a photo from Switzerland, and this tool has actually find the location of it. This is called geospy.ai. You just need to select any photo and it will help you find the location of it. Let's find out what the second tool has done. It is again taking some time, whereas this one again has found this photo to be of Switzerland, which is the right country, but again it has pointed out different other location. One of them is even France, which is not from Switzerland. So this is not so accurate but still good enough, I would say, which will give you an idea. And this tool over here has also given the results, the second one. It is also pointing out several different locations, but with full confidence it is saying it is basically from this particular part of the Switzerland. As you can see, it also gives you the confidence percentage, and this tool has actually pinpointed the exact location of this photo. So this is how you can find location of photos with AI. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.